Dear friends, welcome to Professionals with Passion. Today I am going to explain the differences between SAP ECC versus S4 HANA. I am concentrating only basic differences so that a layman can understand the differences of ECC versus S4 HANA. Coming to the differences, what is the full form of SAP ECC and what is the full form of S4 HANA? ECC stands for ERP Central Component and ECC is an ERP solution provided by SAP. HANA stands for High Performance Analytical Appliance, which is also ERP solution which is provided by SAP. The difference is cloud based. The difference between ECC and HANA is both are ERP solutions provided by SAP only, but the difference is SAP is HANA having the cloud based features which is missing by ECC. That's why we are going to HANA nowadays. And ease of use. How can we use ERP systems? So SAP ECC system can be accessed. We can access through desktops or laptops. Okay. And S4 HANA system. How can we use the system? With the introduction of Fiori apps, we can use this from mobile or tab or any other device which is connected to internet. Okay, so if the people who are already aware of ECC, they must have understand the features of transaction codes and menu paths. So transaction, how we are going to enter the transaction, how we can post the transaction. So here a T code versus apps. In ECC, we are only using transaction codes. Here we don't use any other apps. In S4 HANA, we are having the features, two features we are having. SAP GUI option is providing to use transaction codes, and Fiori apps, Fiori is giving option to use app IDs. And implementation methodology. SAP ECC, how we can implement. The methodology for implementing ECC system is waterfall approach. It's a traditional approach we are calling. And if you are going for HANA, the approach is agile methodology. The what is waterfall approach and agile methodology is a different topic, and that is a huge topic. But the differences I'm providing here is what is the implementation methodology for ECC and HANA, and solution coverage. And here in ECC system, maximum we are using the SAP standard and customizations. It depends on the customer's requirement, but the major portion of the portion is customizations. SAP HANA is going towards SAP standard, so they are trying to reduce the customizations and enhancements. So they are expecting, based on the past experience, SAP is trying to provide the solutions in a standard manner. For example, earlier in ECC, for creating the material code, there is a field length will be there. So there will be 20 digit or something. That is the maximum limit we are having for creating a material master material code. But nowadays, SAP HANA is providing the solution where we can expand the code, field codes to a 40-digit code. This is one of the example. So the object of the S4 HANA is reduce the customizations and providing the solutions in a standard SAP, so that maximum things will be integrated to all other modules. The solutions are flexible, the ease of use, it's very flexible to the user, and user will get higher satisfaction than ECC. Dear friends, thanks for your time.